Go to Mumbai and especially Shimla. And this is season of summer. And Shimla and Manali is best place for visiting in our vacation. And today's paper was also very nice, and I have read everything according to my preparation.
So you will get highest mark in this paper?
Yes, of course. And it is internal scoring marks and related to physical education.
Alright. You are going to learn something during vacation?
Especially I have planned to visit museum. I have planned to visit museum in Mumbai.
Alright.
And for learning about sculptures and various painting and etc. about history. And I have also planned to do trekking.
Trekking?
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Adventure you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about how was your paper?
My paper was very easy. जितना टफ सोचा था उतना बिल्कुल भी नहीं आया, और जो पढ़ के गए थे उतना ही सेम टू सेम आया. और मैंने तो सारे सैंपल पेपर्स रिफर किए थे, सेम टू सेम सब कुछ वही आया था.
सबसे हाईएस्ट मार्क इसी सब्जेक्ट में आएंगे?
हाँ, यही लगता है इसी सब्जेक्ट में आएंगे.
What is your planning during vacation?
During vacation I am going to for मनीष मल्होत्रा की जो कलेक्शन है ना वो सारी देखने के लिए जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे फैशन डिजाइनर बनना है इसीलिए.
So you are planning for future designer course?
Yes.
Okay.
I am doing NIFT in Ahmedabad.
All right. So what you have decided?
For future goal?
Tell me first, how was your paper?
It was very easy, very easy, very easy. I have done best in PE. Yes. I think it will score more and I will gain more percentage in this subject due to this PE.
And what is your future planning during vacation specifically?
For vacation, first of all, I have done the classes of NET to clear the NET course. So then after that, I have decided for going to lines of aviation courses.
All right, you are a student of science?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. All the best for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me, how was your paper?
It was very nice. It was easiest paper ever.
What you are going to do in vacation?
I'm going to prepare for NEET.
NEET. You are a student of science?
Yes.
All right. So you will get highest mark in this subject?
Yes.
All right. All the best for your exam.
Thank you.
Tell, how was your paper?
So it was good, and I attempted all the questions. The paper was little bit easy, and now it's our vacation. It was last exam. Now we are free from some burden of 12, means whole burden of 12, and it's now time to to make our career. And for that I will do CA, and for that from April 1st or 2nd I have to start my CA planning, and CPT exam is there from June. So I will start preparation of CA from 2nd April.
So you are hoping the highest mark in this subject?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have already determined for the CA course?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the best for your exam. Tell now.
Fantastic paper today. It was an easy paper. Difficult paper.
Average. It was an average. Easy but lengthy.
Very meaningful.
What is your planning during vacation? Please tell me your planning during vacation.
I will go to Rajasthan at my village. जो फेल होने वाला उनका नहीं पता.
Right now, our planning is to watch the movie.
Kesari.
Hi, sir.
During vacation, do you want to learn something?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to learn?
To join the CA classes and other activities and GPSC classes. Also, don't know.
GPSC classes.
Tell me.
I want to go to singing classes.
Very good.
Sports academy.
Sports academy. Which game?
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
To engage in extracurricular activities.
To engage in a CA because I want to do CA foundation in November.
I think physical education paper was quite easy. From the we have seen that lengthy syllabus, but the paper was quite typical and quite easy. Some of the questions in 1 mark and 3 mark involved quite reasoning and thinking, but actual overall paper was quite easy and we ended it very smoothly.
So you will get highest mark in this subject?
I hope I may get highest mark in this subject, although I have made minor mistakes, but I don't think that mistakes are countable. I hope that I got full marks in my physical education.
What is your planning for vacation?
My planning for vacation is, first of all, I have to engage in a lot of sports activities. Like I have to again join swimming. I have to join badminton for my strength development. Then I have to work on my business part, and I have to start my job. I have to join job, and then I have to start my business part, that is craft activity.
This much thing how you can manage in few days of vacation?
I think I will continue with them with the part of my college, and swimming is part, swimming, gym and all that are part of morning and like badminton coach. I can do them for 1 or 2 months in month of April and May. And in June, I would focus on all my business part, and from that session, I will be concentrating on my next career prospects also.
So your planning is very well organized. Very good. Tell me, how was your paper?
It was extremely easy, to be honest, a bit lengthy.
Bit lengthy. You will get highest mark in this subject?
Yes, compared to all, yes.
All right. What is your planning for the vacation? Tell me. How was your paper?
It was lengthy, but it was nice.
Nice. What you are going to do in vacation?
I'm going to done my English tutor.
Okay. Tell me, how was your paper?
Paper was quite easy, but it was something lengthy because it consumed much of the time. But I was able to manage the last 15 minutes for revision.
All right, all right. What is your planning for the vacation?
Yeah, I have an JEE exam on 10th April, so I have to attend that. And after that, in May, 27 May, there is an JEE advanced exam, so I have to attend that. So
in which subject you are hoping highest marks?
Most probably in maths.
All right, all right. What about you? Tell me, in which subject you are hoping highest mark?
Biology.
Biology. How was today's paper?
It was quite easy and quite lengthy.
Okay. What you are planning for a vacation?
I have to attend NEET classes as NEET exam is on 5th May.
Okay. What about you?
Mine, chemistry was good.
What about today's paper?
Today's paper, it was easy but lengthy.
Okay. How was today's paper?
Today's paper was easy but quite lengthy.
Okay.
Very easy paper. All the questions came from book only. It was so easy. The student, it will be very beneficial for our results because it is very easy paper. Last time.
Tell, how was your paper?
Paper was too easy. I don't think it was PE paper. I just enjoyed it.
What is your planning during vacation?
I just plan to join a computer classes because I am interested in hacking courses. So I want to join that and be prepared for my Navy exams and NDA.
Very good. Right now, what you are going to do after this today?
After this, firstly I am going to enjoy my day because after 1 month our exam is over and finally we get some time to fun. So my planning is to just enjoy on that thing.
Very good. Tell me, how was your paper?
Paper was so easy.
But
कहीं थोड़ा क्वेश्चन में ट्विस्टेड थे और तो पेपर इजी था.
What is your planning during vacation?
My planning, I am preparing for chartered accountant.
CA exam. Very good.